So my Industrial Scientific Ventus MX4 certified pre-owned instrument came in the mail. I was talking with my local distributor and we decided to go with the certified pre-owned program from Industrial Scientific because I needed a compliant instrument for my work. As a contractor, occasionally I find myself in different areas where we need gas detection equipment. So there are a couple of different options available from Industrial Scientific, the MX6, the Ventus MX4, the Gas Badge Pro. So I needed a compliant instrument, so that's what we ordered. And we're getting ready to do the unboxing here and see what's inside, and it comes directly from Industrial Scientific. So let's take a look inside. So first things first, let's take a look at the paperwork. I'm going to see what packing slips or material is included here. On the top of the box, I've got a Ship To label. And it looks like it's got some basic address information, my order details, and then some descriptions for the content. Again, Ventus certified pre-owned. So there we go. That's what we ordered. That's what should be in the box when we open it up. On the side, I've got another document here. We're going to take a look at this as well. See what's included here. Now this document looks like my rental packing list directly from ISC, and it just very simply shows my ship to and my delivered addresses and some contact information for Industrial Scientific in case I need it. All right, moving on to the box. Let's take a look. So now that we've got the box open, we can see some packing material here, some little air-filled pillows. We've got a few additional pieces inside the box, some paperwork, a charger box, and a calibration cup and tubing. This will be used for calibrating and bump testing the instrument. That'll be handy. The instrument itself wrapped in bubble wrap. Typical black Ventus MX4. Looks like it's in new condition. We'll turn that on in just a second. So the charger and the data link, or depending on which part number we ordered, so that this is a charger. A number of adapters included for the power supply, depending on what part of the world we're in. We'll need to get the adapter for the North American standard. And then also in bubble wrap inside the box, the charger itself. Little single unit, has a support in it depending on the battery type that's ordered. In the first position like that, it's for the standard battery that comes with it. So it'll sit right in there whenever it's charging. And for our adapter for the power, little cover protecting the pins. Find the right adapter in the packaging. Slide that in. That's ready to get plugged in. And then we've got a couple of pieces of paper in the bottom of the box here. This is a calibration certificate specifically for this instrument. Has all of the calibration data that I would need. They all pass the calibration. CO sensor, LEL, H2S, oxygen sensor. All of the alarm set points from the factory. And then there's even additional information about the cylinder that was used to calibrate it. Expiration date, cal date and time, all of that's included. I also have certification labeling on the bottom of the document. And then I've got another copy of the packing list, again with the contact information for Industrial Scientific and what I ordered. Now from the appearance of it, it looks brand new. Power button on the left, enter button on the right, sensor area up top, serial numbers on the sides, audible alarm in the middle. Press and hold the left button, the power button, for about 3 seconds. Instrument lights up. LEDs audible, and vibrating alarm all work. Software version, good battery life down the bottom. Indication of my last calibration. This was only 7 days ago, so this left the factory about a week ago. Countdown timer lets me know the instrument's working and it's warming up. We'll take a look around on the back side. We've got certification labels on the sides of the instrument identification information here, and some warnings about the lithium-ion battery. Good contacts, clean contacts on the bottom, infrared data port, suspender clip and D-ring for attaching it to my uniform or my shirt somewhere within my breathing zone. Now we're back at the home screen. The instrument's stable, looks great. I've got zeros for my toxic and my LEL sensors. My oxygen's reading 20.9. At this point, I can conduct my calibration and my bump test and start using the instrument for work. I gotta say, it looks brand new. It looks exactly like a new unit would. And the great thing about this is it also comes with a 1-year warranty. So as a certified pre-owned instrument, it looks brand new. It's dependable, it's reliable, it's safe to use, it's compliant, but it wasn't as costly as a brand new instrument. So for my line of work and for the budget requirements that I have, this is a good fit. I know for other areas like firefighting and different industries, people can be really rough on these instruments, and maybe they don't have the budget or the luxury to buy brand new equipment. So when I was talking to my distributor about this and we decided that the CPO was right, kind of described it like buying a car. A new driver, teenager, somebody young, you don't necessarily want to spend all the money on a brand new car. You get a certified pre-owned, you know it's equally safe, it's reliable, you can trust that it's going to work and it's dependable. That's why we went with the certified pre-owned instrument from Industrial Scientific.